Hi there, I'm Muneeb Qureshi and I am an IT support engineer. An IT support engineer helps assist with any issues that are occurring on a daily basis around the company, and I get involved with any projects that my manager wants me to get involved in IT related. I work at UCH Logistics. They specialize in air freight and transport, and they have different operations such as warehouse management, same-day specials. They also include sea freight. So my job at UCH is to assist with the users around the company and help with any IT-related issues. I've been working in the industry for 4 months now, and this is my first position in a tech role. I work in a team with myself as the IT support engineer and my manager, who's also the project manager, but he's also really good in IT. So he helps me with anything that I'm stuck with. But we also have a small team in India. We have an IT manager and then 2 system admins. So I reach out to them if I need help or if they need help with me doing something on site. What I love about my job is that I have the freedom to go at my own pace and pick and choose tasks that I'm comfortable with. Because I'm fairly new in this position, my manager's kind of like easing me into the role. I also told my manager that I have like other hobbies like Photoshop and video editing. So it's got me involved in like the social aspect of the team. So on a weekly basis, I like post something on their social media pages. So get involved with different projects. That's quite exciting. To be a successful IT support engineer, you need to be great at problem solving, time management, and a good strategy to organize your tasks. So I grew up in Brentford in West London, and I really love gaming, so I've always been a huge gamer. I've always been interested in tech. As I grow up, always quite funny, I didn't want to be in the tech position. I wanted to be like an actor, part of like showbiz or whatever. As I finished high school, I went into computer science at the University of Westminster. But halfway through my degree, I wasn't quite keen on staying in computer science. I wanted to do something else. At that time, I was like video editing and writing short stories, things like that. So when I finished my degree, I found myself in teaching, and I was working in education for a few years. I thought about becoming an IT teacher there. My passion didn't lie in education. My cousin recommended me a company called IT Career Switch, and he told me about the program, and he kind of like outlined it for me, and it was a great success for him. And I was already applying with kind of tech roles at that time because I wanted that career change. With CompTIA, there was so much to learn and so much to take in. And with the exams, you have the scenario-based questions. So they give you a kind of feel and a good idea of your kind of IT technician role. I have the A+ certification, and I'm working towards my CySA paper. And after that, thinking to do Security Plus. Working at UCH Logistics, it's quite fast-paced, and I had to learn like a lot of new applications, and it was interesting to see that what I learned in the paper, what I learned in the CompTIA exam, were actually applied in my job working at UCH. CompTIA helped me with those technical issues on the job as a IT support engineer. Looking back at my journey, I would have managed my time more efficiently, looking at the bigger picture, and networking more on LinkedIn, and just kind of getting out there and meeting and connecting with new people. Some of my hobbies go from gaming to video editing, writing short stories, and a little bit of photography, and just kind of chilling out with my friends. I would say people who want to get into technology, don't overthink it, just go for it, and problem solving and troubleshooting skills are really needed in this position. You don't have to go to university. There's lots of new ways to get into tech. If you have the right certifications, these will give you the right kind of step towards the IT industry. Working in tech has given me new career opportunities, and looking at the bigger picture of things it's giving me more of a scope of what I can do in this industry.